The first week was a lot of inner work and dealt with your inner child and confronting issues you have within yourself. And then the second week dealt with how to take the growth from that, and apply it to the outside world to, affect the world in a positive way. Also, like the alternative economics was a really good way to, apply your skills to the business world to, for either monetary gain or, starting a business for change or for whatever you wanted to. I think it was really great. They had they work really well together. The dynamic is pretty incredible. She's more intuitive and like right brain, so to speak, and he's more like constructive, more of a construct and left brain. So that, like the merging of that and the way they do it is very, very effective because they can both relate to different types of people, but like they also have enough of the opposite energy to be able to connect in that way too. So it was quite nice.
Cool.
Mm-hmm. I would recommend really anybody because it touches on a lot of different subjects, and personally I've felt like I've dealt with a lot of inner work, and going back over certain things has just like reminded me that it just goes so much deeper than you even realize. So I mean, I would recommend overall to anyone, but especially if you're trying to cultivate your self-esteem or boost your confidence, or even like how to apply what you have inside to the external world. The course is definitely for you.